Well, good morning, fellow YouTube fam. Today we're going to be fishing for some bait for the stingrays because, you know, we're going to try and catch some stingrays tonight for some dinner. Most y'all probably thinking, yeah, y'all are like really weird eating stingrays. Actually, they make very good scallops if you cut the wings off of them. I'll do catch cook on that if we do catch one. But yeah, we have Will's leftover shrimp Alfredo or something like that.
Yeah.
And then we have the little Mighty Mite, a little tiny hook on it. And we're gonna go try and catch some little pinfish or maybe some baby jacks or something to cut up for bait tonight. So yeah, we're about to be over there, so I'll see you. Just got this pinfish. It's bait for tonight for stingray. Alright guys, so this is a glass minnow. You can see right through him. And because of that, we had to sacrifice one for the trout gods to let us catch some more fish. So, Will, do the honors.
Dude, I'm fucking on my phone.
I need you to bite it. Just bite it.
I will. I'm on my phone.
Dude, we're making him suffer. I just gotta. You gonna do it?
Nope, the newest KD is KD10. You are wrong, buddy.
Alright, you wanna bite his tail?
Wrong too.
Bite his tail off?
When you were, I'll bite it. You give it to me.
Hey, you can finish off the head. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay. Sacrifices. Swallow it. Hey, give me that head. Give me the head. Give me the head. Give me the head. All right, Coop, you up next. You up next.
Why don't you have to eat one?
Take a bite of that thing. Get it. Get it. Just bite into it. Just do it. Just do it. Oh God! How'd that taste? How'd that taste?
Fishy.
How'd it taste?
Fishy.
There goes the mighty Shamu.
It tastes like salt and fish.
Not me, guys. Not me.
I love it a lot.
Alright, guys, so now got our fishing rods and we're going pond hopping today in some random neighborhood golf course ponds in hopes to catch some big LMBs. So, yeah, we'll get back to you when we catch some. Guys, we're at this next pond and it's like totally blue. Like nothing I've ever seen in my life. It's mullet? Guys, we're not supposed to be fishing here, that's why I'm not fishing. But you know, Rebel over here is gonna fish. There's fish right here. There's a gator right there coming towards us. There's turtles, there's everything.
Oh, you turned.
They don't want it.
Oh yeah, dude. They
Pop
want
it. Oh crap, they're all coming towards it.
want
They feed. Dude, he is moving in. Dude, he is moving in on us. He's on it? Oh, he's on it. Dude, big bluegill. Oh crap, here comes that gator, dude. Get him back in the water. The gator's coming. Dude. Get him back. That gator's coming.
Hold on. I gotta take a snapshot video. It's cracking, bro.
Throw it. Just throw it. I'm going, bro. Bye, guys.